Welcome to BushBites, your new favorite spot for outdoor cooking, survival tips, and the quiet charm of life beyond the city. Today, I'll share 5 powerful yet simple campfire cooking hacks that'll make your next outdoor meal unforgettable, whether you're a weekend camper or a full-blown bushcrafter. There's something magical about cooking in the wild. The sound of crackling fire, the smell of wood smoke, and food made with just the bare essentials. In this video, I'll share 5 simple but powerful campfire cooking hacks that can make your next outdoor meal unforgettable, whether you're a weekend camper or a full-blown bushcrafter. Take 3 thick logs and place them in a triangle, leaving a small gap between them. Light a fire in the center. The gaps allow airflow and the logs act like a natural stove, sturdy enough to hold a pan or pot. Simple, effective, and efficient. Aluminum foil is your best friend in the wild. Wrap potatoes, fish, or even marinated veggies in foil and throw them directly into the coals. After 15 to 20 minutes, you'll have a smoky, perfectly cooked meal, no pots required. Before placing a metal pot or pan over the fire, rub the bottom with a thin layer of soap. After cooking, the soot will wipe right off. A neat trick passed down by campers for generations. At home, pre-mix garlic, butter, herbs, or spices into oil and freeze them in small cubes. Take a few with you in a sealed container. Toss one into the pan at the campsite. Instant flavor explosion without carrying 10 bottles of seasoning. Use a couple of clean sticks and a forked branch to make a quick toast rack. Prop your bread near the fire but not directly on it. Rotate every few seconds for a crispy, even toast, no gadgets needed. Cooking in the wild doesn't have to be complicated. With a few clever tricks, your next campfire meal can feel like a 5-star feast, just with trees for walls and stars for a ceiling. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more outdoor cooking and survival tips. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up a bushcraft shelter using only 3 tools, perfect for beginners and solo campers. You won't want to miss it. If this video brought you a little closer to the wild, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. More fire, food, and forest magic coming soon. See you next time by the fire.